SIBOASI, Sports Goods Technology Company Limited. Established in 2016, stands as a pioneering smart sports technology, enterprise integrated R&D, manufacturing, global distribution, and technical services. Our comprehensive solutions span 5 strategic domains: intelligent sports equipment, smart sports park systems, AI-powered campus sports education, the Starlink Sports Big Data Platform, and community fitness ecosystems. As a global recognized innovator, SIBOASI holds distinguished titles including founding member of the World Alliance for Ball Sports Training Equipment Scientific Research, National High-Tech Enterprise, China's top sports innovation brand, State Administration of Sports, Belt and Road Initiative Strategic Brand Development Enterprise, a Pay Institutional member, Guangdong Sports Industry Benchmark Enterprise, Standard Committee member of National Sports Goods Standardization. Our technological leadership is validated by 461 national patents, including multiple global industry first innovations. We're ISO 9001 certified, meeting international standards through BV, SGS, CCC, CE, and ROSE certifications. Technology alliances: Huawei IoT Solutions, Sports Associations, CTA, GDBA, NYBO, Chongzhong Women's Soccer. Education partners: Evergrande Football School, ECAMP, East Star Camp. Guided by our mission to empower global health and happiness through smart sports, we uphold core values of gratitude, integrity, collaborative innovation, and value sharing. SIBOASI committed to build an international company that redefines smart sports ecosystems worldwide. Building active communities, shaping healthier lifestyles.